Here's the complete blueprint to succeed in affiliate marketing and build passive income step by step. Step 1. Pick the right niche and product. Choose a niche people spend money on and pick products with high demand. Step 2. Join affiliate platforms. Sign up for trusted affiliate platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Step 3. Promote with value. Promote products by creating valuable content, tutorials, review, and helpful guides. Step 4. Track and optimize. Use analytics to double down on what's working and fix what's not. Scale and stay consistent. Expand to more platforms, automate tasks, and most importantly, stay consistent. Success takes time but pays off big. This completes our affiliate marketing series. Start today, stay consistent, and build your passive income future.